Deal with stress and anxiety from time to time. It's a normal part of life. But feeling anxious all the time, that's not something you have to just live with. Before you reach for pills, let's talk about what's probably already in your fridge. We're going to explore 5 powerful foods that can naturally calm your mind and rewire your anxiety response. And trust me, number 4 might surprise you. Stay tuned because we're about to unlock the power of food to fight anxiety naturally. Let's do this. First up, we've got the mighty avocado. You guys know I love a good avocado. It's delicious, versatile, and guess what? It's a potent anxiety fighter. Why? Well, avocados are packed with vitamin B6 and magnesium, and let me tell you, these nutrients are essential for a healthy nervous system. See, vitamin B6 helps your brain produce serotonin, that feel-good chemical your brain craves when you're feeling anxious. It's like a natural mood booster. And magnesium, it's a natural muscle relaxant that can help ease those physical symptoms of anxiety like muscle tension and headaches. So next time you're feeling anxious, instead of stressing, how about whipping up some guacamole or adding some avocado to your salad? Trust me, your mind and body will thank you. Next, let's talk about everyone's favorite morning pick-me-up coffee. Just kidding, we're actually ditching the coffee and switching to green tea. I know, you might be thinking, but Syed, I need my coffee to function. Listen, I get it, but trust me on this one. Green tea is a much better choice when you're struggling with anxiety. It's packed with L-theanine, a natural amino acid that promotes relaxation without that dreaded caffeine crash. Think of it as calm in a cup. L-theanine works its magic by increasing alpha brain waves, which are associated with a state of calm and alertness. It's like hitting the relaxation button in your brain without making you sleepy. So next time you're feeling anxious or stressed, skip the coffee jitters and reach for a soothing cup of green tea. Your mind and body will thank you for it. Chapter 3. Supercharge with salmon. Number 3 on our list of anxiety-fighting foods is salmon. Not only is it delicious, but it's also a nutritional powerhouse when it comes to brain health. That's because salmon is brimming with omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA. These healthy fats are essential for optimal brain function and play a crucial role in reducing anxiety. Here's how it works. Omega-3s reduce inflammation throughout the body, including the brain. Chronic inflammation is increasingly being linked to mood disorders like anxiety and depression. Plus, these healthy fats help stabilize your mood and improve your overall emotional well-being. So make sure to incorporate salmon into your diet at least twice a week. Your brain will thank you for it. Chapter 4. Dark chocolate. Yes, really. All right, everyone, this next one is for all you chocolate lovers out there. You heard me right. Dark chocolate can actually help combat anxiety. Now, before you run off to devour a whole bar of milk chocolate, let me clarify something. We're talking about dark chocolate here, specifically the kind with at least 70% cacao. Dark chocolate is loaded with antioxidants and flavonoids that have mood-boosting effects. It boosts endorphins, those feel-good chemicals in your brain, which can help alleviate stress and anxiety. And here's the kicker. Dark chocolate also helps to lower cortisol levels. Cortisol is your body's stress hormone, and when it's constantly elevated, it can wreak havoc on your mood and overall health. So, next time you need a little mood lift, indulge in a piece or two of dark chocolate. Your taste buds and your brain will thank you. Chapter 5. Go bananas. Last but not least, we have the humble banana. Don't let its simplicity fool you. This fruit is a nutritional powerhouse when it comes to fighting anxiety. Bananas are an excellent source of tryptophan. Now, tryptophan is an essential amino acid that your body converts into serotonin. Remember, that feel-good neurotransmitter that helps regulate mood and sleep. But that's not all. Bananas also play a role in stabilizing your blood sugar levels. Fluctuations in blood sugar can lead to those dreaded energy crashes, irritability, and yes, even increased anxiety. By keeping your blood sugar levels stable, bananas help you maintain a more balanced mood throughout the day. So, make sure to grab a banana for a snack or add it to your breakfast smoothie for a natural anxiety-fighting boost. Outro crush anxiety naturally. So there you have it, 5 incredible foods that can help you combat anxiety naturally. Remember, taking care of your mental health is just as important as taking care of your physical health. Incorporating these foods into your diet is a simple yet powerful step you can take towards feeling calmer, more balanced, and in control of your anxiety. Which one of these anxiety-fighting foods will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more natural health hacks that work.